Good evening and welcome back. So 2019 is complete. Now we will start 2020. Identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase, gap 1 phase of interphase. Cell is metabolically active, correct, grows but does not replicate its DNA. Yes, this is the correct statement about G1. So let's revise this topic of interphase. Interphase includes G1, S and G2 phases. So G1 phase, it corresponds to the interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. The exact statement was asked in this question. Now keep this in mind, every cell which is alive is metabolically active. Whether it divides or doesn't divide, it is always metabolically active if it is alive. Next phase is S phase. During S phase, DNA replication as well as centriole duplication, these two events happen. So during this phase, DNA will double, but there will be no increase in the chromosome number. What does this mean? See, this is a chromosome is counted based on the centromere, okay? So this is how the chromatin will look like, okay? And after S phase, you will have a new sister chromatid, both attached to the same centromere. So chromosome number doesn't change, only the DNA doubles after S phase. G2 phase, proteins are synthesized in preparation for mitosis while the cell grows. So all the mitosis related proteins are synthesized in G2 phase. If the cell exits cell cycle, then we will call the cell is in quiescent stage. Okay, along with interphase, I want to discuss this also, cytokinesis. In case of animal cell, the cell divide into two by formation of a furrow. The furrow deepens and then ultimately joins the center and divides the two cells. On the other hand, in plant cell, the cytokinesis will happen by cell plate formation, which represents the middle lamella. And instead of the edges, it will begin in the center and grows outward. The cell plate represents the middle lamella. If karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, then the cell will have multiple nuclei, and such structures are known as syncytium or syncytium.